Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for August 20th. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.21%, at $7,707.98. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. NASDAQ 100 slipped minus 0.22% to $29,426. Equity markets are responding to reports that not Nvidia, not AMD. This chip stock will be the biggest winner of the historic AI semiconductor boom. The motley fool. Dow Jones ticked up plus 0.22% to $53,463. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel AI optimism. Starting with the Europe session. DAX dipped minus 0.94% to €26,091. The move follows reports that S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near £10,743. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 is down minus 2.54%, trading at 67,461 yen. Currency markets are reacting to US retreat from global order eroding European competitiveness, central bank boss warns. Hang Seng is little changed, hovering near 25,495 Hong Kong dollars. Traders are reacting to news that BHP's copper profits outstrip iron ore for first time, Financial Times. Kospi is down minus 1.55%, trading at 6,869.83 Korean wons. Equity markets are responding to reports that not Nvidia, not AMD. This chip stock will be the biggest winner of the historic AI semiconductor boom. The motley fool. Nifty 50 dipped minus 0.86% to 24,078 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. Sensex is down minus 1.05%, trading at 76,910 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. ASX 200 slipped minus 0.21% to $9,053.80. Traders are reacting to news that BHP's copper profits outstrip iron ore for first time, Financial Times. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. Bharti Airtel is down minus 2.40%, trading at 1,922 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel AI optimism. After today's weakness, the 1,864.34 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Bharti Airtel. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Tata Motors dropped sharply minus 2.70% to 321.30 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel AI optimism. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. SoftBank Group made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 10.34% to 5,227 yen. Equity markets are responding to reports that SoftBank Group, TSE 9984, stock looks fairly valued on its 284% run Yahoo Finance. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for SoftBank Group is around 4,913 yen and 38 sen. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 7.82% to 247,500 Korean wons. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Keyence made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.33% to 79,650 yen. Equity markets are responding to reports that should I buy Keyence, KYCCF, Zacks Investment Research. The technical picture for Keyence has deteriorated. The 74,871 yen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Let us give you our near-term view on the Nikkei 225. The technical picture for Nikkei 225 has deteriorated. The 63,413 yen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. To summarize, 4 indices in the green, 9 in the red today. A clear risk-off tone is prevailing across global equities. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.